Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G with a broken display. David is pointing on it, and a broken back glass. So this is a fairly high-end device, and we're gonna try to save it from being dumped. So we're gonna remove this back cover. As damaged as it is, we're still gonna reuse this afterwards. So we're gonna be really careful not to give it more crack, since it's really taped up at the back, which is kind of a good idea because you don't want shards of glass falling off your back cover and giving you injuries in your skin, in your fingers. So this is kind of a very sticky adhesive, so we're gonna take our time here, and it's gonna be taking a while. If you're trying to do this yourself, you need to have a lot of patience, and this is how you remove it. And we're gonna unscrew all the visible screws that are holding on to the first layer of this main board, the shroud, and of course the wireless charging module. There's a lot of screws, but this is really manageable. You also have to use proper tools if you're gonna DIY this, in case you want to try it yourself. So this is gonna be the wireless charging module, the protector, the mainboard shroud, and of course the connectors for the display, battery, charging port, and of course the daughter board at the bottom. So they're connected to the main board up there. So this is the bottom part. This is where you can see the daughter board, and it's really well built for a Samsung Galaxy. This is really a high-end smartphone. So we're gonna remove all the bits and pieces, the components that we see here, especially the main board and the battery, since the display and the chassis are integrated into one piece. So this is the replacement screen, this one, and we're gonna transplant all of it here. So all your files will still be there because the main board is the same, battery is the same. So all that's gonna be replaced is the front glass, display, touchscreen, since they're all integrated, and of course the chassis. So your smartphone will be looking brand new at the front and really battered at the back, because we're gonna use the old back cover for it. We're just gonna manually screw this in. Sometimes when you use a mechanical screwdriver, a powered screwdriver like this one, and sometimes we just don't use it. We tend to use this on the final layers, which is kind of less risky to work with powered screwdrivers, and it's really fast since a lot of these shrouds have a lot of screws. So we're almost done. So David is kind of an expert on anything Samsung, so you didn't really see him test the front glass before fully reassembling the device. So he's confident that he's got it right. This is the first test that we're gonna apply to this one, the charging, and of course the boot up time, and it's working. So if you have a problem with your S20 Plus or S21, you have to go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. Leave us a message on Facebook or on our website. You can also visit us. We're open, and don't worry, we are already vaccinated here. And as you can see here, we are testing the touch screen, and it's working really fine. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Till next time, cheers!